Welcome back. The High Court of Bombay at Goa has reserved its order in the matter of Goa Meat Complex for 26th of June. Goa Meat Complex and Meat Traders Association have filed petitions seeking lifting of ban on import of animals from other states for the purpose of slaughtering.
Hearing of petitions filed by Goa Meat Complex and Meat Traders Associations concluded on Tuesday. Review petition seeks review of previous order of the High Court in Goa Meat Complex case. After the hearing, the High Court reserved its order for 26th of June. During the hearing, petitioner Goan Suraksha Abhiyan argued that Goa Meat Complex has no locus standi to file modification petition as it is just a service provider. Traders importing animals for slaughtering from other states must obtain certificate from local competent authority. Competent authority appointed at Goa Meat Complex must ensure that animal has been brought with proper certificate. Animals should not be allowed to be slaughtered if it is fit for agriculture work, even if age of the animal is about 12 years. On behalf of State Government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni also supported argument of the Goan Suraksha Abhiyan that economically fit animals should not be slaughtered. The High Court took a dig against Goa Meat Complex for making a statement that 60% population of Goa eats beef. The High Court questioned the basis on which such a statement has been made. The order has been reserved for 26th June. Till then, the ban on slaughter of imported animals will continue and Meat Complex will continue to import the beef. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A pose for the Gera project continued in Devlai ward at Kandola Panchayat. Locals refused to remove barricades and blockade on the public road as a mark of protest. They also stopped Panchayat officials from inspecting the area. Panchayat has warned the people not to take law in their hands. Later, the road was cleared in the evening.
आज आम्ही 2 वर्ष झाली यांकडे मागताय पंचायतीकडे ग्रामसभा घेवपाक रेडी नाही रे आणि आज घराची काल कंप्लेंट झाली आज ते गेले आम्ही किती करतो आम्ही कोणा साइडीने घरा साइडीने आम्ही घरा साइडीने कोणाला आम्ही कंप्लेंट रोड ब्लॉकेज आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन आमका इथे काय ना म्हणजे आम्ही बोर्ड मारलो म्हणजे व्हडली गाडी वसप नाही आणि हिंगे कोणी मागीर आडक आयलो तो आड्याक आम्ही सपोर्ट केलो कित्याक आमकाय त्रास जाताय कित्याक 2 वर्ष झाले आमका पंचायतीन कांयच आन्सर करूना पुलीस कंप्लेंट केल्यार पुलीस एक्शन घेयना हेजेर तेन्ना आमकां सांगचे सरपंच आणि पंच आमचे येयले ते कोणा साइडीन येयले ते सांगचे.
Locals did not allow the Sarpanch and Panch members of the Bedki Kandola Panchayat to inspect the area. Gera had complained to the Panchayat that their access road has been blocked by some of the locals.
स्पेशल ग्रामसभा हय हांव मान्य करता लोकांनी म्हजे कडेन डिमांड केला स्पेशल ग्रामसभा घेवची पण हो विशय मातसो डिफिकल्ट न्हू म्हणून हांवें पंचायत डायरेक्टराक लेटर केलें की म्हाका ग्रामसभा घेवपाक परमिशन दी म्हणून आजुनूय तेंच्यांनी म्हाका कांय रिप्लाय दिवना पंचायत डायरेक्टराक हांवें लेटर केला
लोकांनी म्हणून कोणेन तुमकां केलें कोणे नांवां बी दिल्या कोणे
हय तेंच्यांनी सायनी बीन मारून दिल्या
सो आतां इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक तुमकां कोणी दिल्लें सांगलेलें गेरा कंपनीन सांगलेलें
हय
लोकांनी अशें कायदो हातीन घेवंक जायना की पंचायतीची ड्युटी आसा की आमी तें इन्स्पेक्शन करूंकच जाय आनी जो पब्लीक रोड आहा पळय तो रोड क्लियर करून दिवपाचो आमचो ड्युटी आसा ती आमी ड्युटी करतले आनी तेजेर कांय ना आनी एक सांगता म्हटल्यार की आतां ते लोक म्हणटा गेरा इल्लीगल ओके गेरा इल्लीगल आसा म्हणटा ते म्हणटा तेंच्या बरोबर आमी आसा पूण तेंच्यांनी ते प्रूव करूंक जाय बाबा ते इल्लीगल म्हणून.
Agitated locals had laid barricades on Saturday. They had complained that heavy vehicles moving through residential area create inconvenience to the Devlai residents. Meanwhile, barricades were moved with police protection later in the evening on Tuesday. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
July 1st, 2013 will bring good news to the telecom users. Roaming charges will decline from 1st July after the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India announced new tariff structures for calls and SMSs. Subscribers will have to pay less for voice calls and SMSs while on national roaming. The roaming calls and SMSs will be reduced at 1 rupee per minute and outgoing STD calls will be 1 rupee 50 paise on roaming.
Have you been troubled by the roaming charges while you are on an urgent work out of your state? The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has reduced cap of tariff for incoming calls while on roaming. TRAI plans to keep costs to roamers at a minimum. The roaming charges from July 1st will be 1 rupee for calls and SMSs per minute, 1.50 paise per minute for outgoing STD calls on national roaming against 1.40 paise per minute and 2.40 paise respectively. Incoming calls for national roaming has been reduced to 75 paise from 1.75 paise per minute. Outgoing local SMSs will cost 1 rupee per SMS, while outgoing STD calls will cost 1.50 paise. Incoming SMSs will remain free. TRAI has also allowed special plans for subscribers on roaming. TRAI in its statement says, mandating a fully free regime is simply not practicable at this juncture. Compelling a transition to a fully free national roaming regime would result in telecom service providers not being able to recover their costs from roamers. In turn, telecom service providers would pass these costs on to all consumers through higher tariffs. The new plans by TRAI will be among the 25 tariff plans that company is allowed to offer to its customers. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.